So, told y'all Francois was going to win the teachers tournament, and he going to be back for the tournament of champions, okay? And James going to be back Monday to try to beat Ken Jennings' score, you know, his record or whatever, you know. But I got to tell y'all this. I doubt it if James going to go that far. I doubt that, to be honest with y'all, though, okay? Not unless he go over 2 million, you know. But we'll have to see what's going to happen next week. I'm not going to just say what's going to happen Monday, because I already know what's going to happen Monday. I already know what's going to happen Tuesday. I already know what's going to happen Wednesday. But I don't know what's going to happen next Thursday and next Friday, okay? But we'll have to see what's going to happen those few days, okay? Because next week could be James Holzhauer's last week on Jeopardy. We don't know yet, okay? We'll have to see, okay? We'll definitely have to see, okay? So anyway, I'm so glad Alex Trebek mentioned James' name like that, you know? So let's see what's going to happen next week. Like I said before, I know it's going to happen Monday, I know it's going to happen Tuesday, I know it's going to happen Wednesday, but I don't know what's going to happen next Thursday and next Friday, okay? So, anyway, congratulations to Francois. I don't know how to pronounce his last. Let me see. Wait a minute. Francois. But I ain't know how to pronounce his name though. Barcombe. Okay. All right. So, congratulations to him. Okay. So, I sure can't wait to see him in the Tournament of Champions. No telling when the Tournament of Champions is going to be. Will it be this year coming? Next season? Or will it be 2020 that following season, okay? So, I want to let y'all know something. I sure would like to see James Holzhauer and Ken Jennings battle it out, you know? I would like to see that, you know? So, I can hardly wait to see, you know? Because that ain't going to happen until after Alex Trebek retire in 3 years or 4 years or something like that, you know, until Alex Trebek and Johnny Gilbert leave Jeopardy together, okay? I know that's going to happen one day, but anyway, if Johnny Gilbert leave before Alex Trebek, that's different, you know, but I know for a fact Alex Trebek not going to leave Jeopardy before Johnny Gilbert. I know that for a fact. Okay. All right. So that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. All right. Bye bye.